Everyone. So, ang motivational talk natin for today is about developing a good habit. Sa most mga successful na tao, they created statistics of the habit of a successful person. At dun nga pumapasok na unang-una, yung mga successful na tao. Example, ang oras ng work nila is 10 hours ng umaga. 10 a.m. in the morning, 3 hours ahead of 10 a.m. gising na sila. They do another activities na nakakapagpaboost ng confidence nila, like exercise or iba pang mga activity na kung saan mas na-enhance nila yung sarili nila. Pangalawa is at least every day they develop a habit of reading a book, self-help book, motivational book. They non-stop reading, developing their minds, their knowledge. Pangatlo, they surround themselves positive people. They barely spend time negative people. They are very optimist people na kung saan mas gusto nilang ibilong yung sarili nila sa mga tao na kung saan mas na-inspire sila, mas na-motivate sila. Then, they develop a habit ng pursuing goals. Kung ano man yung goals na meron sila, they continues of pursuing that. They never stop pursuing goals. Kasi the moment that you don't have goals, wala kang target sa buhay mo, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Ang hirap na, kunyari ikaw pumapana ka, pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung target mo, yung directions ng araw kung saan pupunta. But, if you pursuing goals, may goals ka kung saan ka pupunta, at continuous yun, even a small goals or big goals, importante meron tayo nun. Meron tayong nasa set. Meron tayong target. Then, also, they do exercise. So, kung example, ang goal mo is pumayat ka, walang overnight success sa pagpayat. Hindi mo pwedeng i-shortcut. Lahat may process. So, kung mag-exercise ka, maganda na you spend time every day, continuous, hindi siya on and off, kasi you have goals you pursuing something that you want to have, you want to dream na magkaroon ka ng ganung body. So, andun yung habit mo na mag-exercise every day. And gratitude. People are successful, they have the habit of writing a gratitude, at least 5 gratitude a day, na pinagpapasalamat nila kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na meron sila every day, non-stop. Because when you are very grateful to your life, mas continuous pa yung overflow ng blessings sa'yo. Katulad din nun ng yung mga ang Diyos kasi, ang God natin, kapag you have a grateful heart, mas natutuwa pa siya, mas pinagpapala ka pa niya. That's why yung mga successful tao, never nila nakakalimutan become a grateful person. And meron din silang time na dapat to take care of yourself. You have a good sleep. At least 7 hours a day, you have a good sleep. Because when you have a good sleep, your body restores itself and mas nagiging able yung body natin to think clearly, because when you have a good sleep, mas pansinin mo kapag good yung pag okay yung sleep mo, pag enough yung hours ng tulog mo, ang ganda ng smile mo, nasa mood ka, ang ganda ng araw mo, because our body needs that. So most of the successful people, they know how to take care of themselves, and they have enough sleep because they know and they believe that our body needs to generate, so that in the next day, the things that you need to handle, you use your body as a temple of God to have that capacity to do things. So ito yung mga bagay na kailangan maging habit natin, and respect other people's time. Now, we know how to respect yung oras ng mga tao sa paligid natin. Yung ibang kakalala ko, kapag sinabi ito yung oras ng pasok, they ahead of that time kung ano yung pinag-usapan. Because when you know how to respect others people's time, they know how to respect you also. Napakailaking bagay nun, lalo na kung ikaw nasa field ka ng business, you know how to, yung time ng ibang tao, kapag you know how to respect, you know how to handle, ganun din ang gagawin nila sa'yo. So, huwag mong gawin sa kapwa mo ang ayaw mong gawin sa'yo. So, yung mga simpleng bagay na i-develop natin sa sarili natin, kahit nga po yung simpleng pag-pray, you surrender kay God every day, every time na meron kang gagawin, you surrender to Him. It's a good habit na mai-develop natin. And hope itong mga simple motivational talk will learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.